Back out here with my Mojave Monster Buggy conversion. I'm just going to give this a quick rip out here, see how she does. The only new with this truck is just this panel that I picked up a couple weeks ago, and yeah, turned out to be a pretty nice option. Panels for this body. See how she does. Wow. Woo. She's crazy. Alright boys, so I just took out the body because I broke the body post and the body was just kind of flopping around, so I heard some clicking already, so I'm guessing one of my divs is probably stripped, so here it is. Just gonna run it without a body. Whew. Ooh, that was wild. The stars are ballooning like crazy. Ooh. That's crazy. Oh no. Woo! It does. And it's stuck too. Usually I upgrade these things to, take this kind of beating. Surprisingly, it's holding up. Alright guys, this thing took some big jumps out here. Man, she is taking it. I love the freaking suspension of this Mojave. I mean, the stars are ballooning like crazy out here, but man, she is holding up. She is holding tough. As you can see, I'm still running a stock chassis. Pretty much stock except for the aluminum servo mounts and Italian chassis braces. As you can see, it's holding up good. All right. Oh, that front flip did not, almost didn't make it. Man. Oh, that was crazy. Oh, that slap. Damn. Whoa. That was close. Alright guys, that's LVC. What a monster. Yeah, that's LVC, boys. Dang, I'm so impressed with this truck out here. The only thing did not hold up is just the body, you know. The panel that I put on that body, it just give it a lot of weight to it. It's just not holding up for me, so we'll figure out something about that. But anyway, I'm really surprised, man. And really, oh, got my tires unglued here, so you can see. And I'm really surprised with the durability of this truck. Like I said, stock chassis, stock arms. The only upgrade I have on here is just hot racing chassis braces, aluminum servo mount. Oh, I do have the I forgot that I do have the upgraded towers on here. These are the titanium towers that I got from I believe it was Russia. It's holding up okay. But yeah, I mean, she took some big jumps, and I didn't really want to run it without the body, but you know, I'm kind of itching to get this a little bit more on time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you haven't.